So if you haven't seen us for a while, we've been here hiding in Illinois. Really no good reason to go to Illinois, but if you have to come to Lake Carlisle, that's where we are.
U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, Lake Carlisle. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful, but because we're not near any big cities, that's why it's so pretty here. But anyway, we are out of North Carolina. We are in Illinois, making our way. You know what we're doing, so we're drinking. So enjoy, all of you. Take care. As you can see, due to the labor shortage, we have our camera guy quit, and the sound guy took off after him, and so it's just us.
And the
videographer
is on strike.
Or has been drinking, so that's what you get. To our friends and relatives, and you know who you are, we say hello
and cheers.
And until next time. So if you want to follow us, click on the link and you'll see where we are and what we do. Say hello, everybody.
Cheers.
Greetings from Lake Carlisle.